Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. The subject today is simple. The trillion dollar man. The trillion dollar man. Imagine this. Just read this, but think. If this gets the approval, boom, crypto industry will double. And I'm talking the big guys, not the small little shit coins. Okay, so the altcoins which are in the top 200, 300, something like that, they will grow and everybody's happy. Okay, the point is the trillion-dollar guy is this guy because somehow he has to come on the microphone on stage and say it loud. Guys, Grayscale, it's approved. He can start doing his ETF, the spot ETF tomorrow. Okay, so remember, the trillion-dollar guy has to make an announcement in the next few days. The point is this: imagine on Fidelity, Grayscale, BlackRock, they hired a lot of detectives to follow him around to feel his behavior, to see if he's happy, what kind of mood is he in, what's the story and all that. He's watched like like a Russian spy, all right? So everybody's watching every move that he makes. I'm talking about Gary Gensler, all right? So he's the trillion-dollar dude that will improve our lives. The guy that will improve the crypto boys' life, okay? So the best industry right now, it's crypto. Imagine the crypto thing made tens of thousands, over 88,000 millionaires in the last 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, okay? So it's the fastest growing industry. They're making millionaires all over the place. There are few billionaires, and everybody's happy because it's the fastest way to make nice money. So I'm betting on these. So the story is again, this approval of the spot thingy will add $1 trillion. Right now our market cap is 1.1. It will be 2.1 trillion dollars, and this will happen so fast you cannot believe it. All right. So what we're saying is that the court ruled in August. This lady plus another two judges. So Naomi Rao told Gensler, bro, you were wrong, you were abusive, you are not allowed to block this ETF. So it will happen in the next few days. Just invest with caution. This is not financial advice. All right. So again, God bless and have a profitable day. Follow this trillion-dollar announcement. Thanks and have a good week. Bye bye.